The UDP MLA from Nongpor constituency, Miral Bond's aim on Monday, flagged the unregulated mushrooming of YouTubers in the state and asked the government to implement a broadcasting code of ethics to regulate and mitigate the dissemination of false information by a few. Raising a zero-hour notice in the assembly, Miral Bond cited the recent incident of how the image of the chairman of Sinjuk Kirangba Shnong, Bibi Makdo from Nongpor, was tarnished by a YouTube channel, Hinyotrep TV. He said it was sad to see that nowadays few have crossed all decency of public decorum. The Nongpor legislator said to address the issue, the state government should consider implementing a broadcasting code of ethics. In reply, Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma said that the person who created and uploaded the news about Makdo and YouTube was summoned to Nongpor police station and his statement was recorded. On steps initiated by the government, he said that a cyber crime wing has been set up to monitor, investigate cyber or interrelated crimes.
I would urge the state government to consider implementing a broadcasting code of ethics such as will empower to regulate and mitigate the dissemination of false information so that those YouTubers with malignant intention to tarnish the image of someone, they wouldn't get the platform like this. Even